Hello everyone. Welcome to our training video on how to create products in Commerce7. In this video, we'll be reviewing the different product types available within Commerce7. We'll demo creating a wine product, so a bottle of wine. We'll go over the field definition when you're creating a product. And lastly, we'll go over the product list page and review the different filters and export options available from that page. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. So here we are on the Commerce7 admin panel. The first page you land on is the dashboard, and to create a product, you'll navigate over to Store, Products, and on the top right-hand corner, you should see an option to add a product. When you click on this option, a modal will appear that will outline the different product types we have available. You'll need to select the product type that you want to create at the very beginning of your product creation. So let me go over all the different product types we have available on this list. The first option is wine. So this is the product type you want to use when creating a bottle of wine. It will have different fields and attributes that are specific to a bottle of wine. This product will use the wine tax rate when calculating tax. The second option is general merchandise. This is generally used for products such as t-shirt, food, and other general merchandise and goods. This product type will not have wine-specific fields and attributes and will tax using the general merchandise tax rate. The third option we have is tasting. This is how you want to create your tasting SKU. Products created with this product type will tax using the wine tax rate. However, since it's just a tasting, it will not have the wine-specific fields that you would expect to see in a bottle of wine, such as varietal, vintage, and things like that. Next, we have bundles. Bundles is a group of products. You can create a bundle of products containing 3 bottles of wine, or wine and a corkscrew and a t-shirt. If you want to sell that as a combined package, you will want to sell that as a product bundle. Next, we have gift cards. We have the ability to create both virtual and physical gift cards. Next, we have collateral. Collateral is a $0 item that can be added to an order without being seen by a customer. It's commonly used for a club package if you're wanting to add a specific newsletter or insert to all your club packages. You will add a collateral to your club package. It will not be visible to the customer, so they can't remove or add a second collateral on the website. It will just be automatically added to their shipment, and everyone will receive a collateral that's added in the background. Next, we have rebate. Rebate is a SKU that you can set up with a negative dollar. The purpose of a rebate is to refund a tasting fee or other things that you're comping. For example, if you have a policy where you refund your tasting fee if the customer makes a purchase, you'll want to use a rebate SKU to refund the tasting fee on the customer's purchase order. And lastly, we have event tickets, which is a product type that you'll want to use to create your event tickets, and it'll have fields that are specific to an event. Awesome. So in this demo, I'm going to create a bottle of wine. So I'm going to click here. So here we are on the product page. First thing you want to do is create a product title. Create a 2016 Pinot Noir. You can add a subtitle or a teaser if you'd like. So I'll add a teaser here. The content section refers to the product description. So we will add some product description on here. The photo section is where you want to add any bottle shots or images linked to the product. And here we have the variant section. In general, if you're creating a bottle of wine, you'll only just have one variant for the 750 ml. But if it happens to be a varietal or vintage where you're bottling both a 750 and a Magnum, you can create a second additional variant for the Magnum SKU. Here, we'll do 750 ml. 750. UPC code is the code that you want to type in if you're using the barcode scanner. You can type in a price here. The compare at price refers to a second price that you can display on the product page. The compare at price will see a strike through, and then the product will be sold for the price. So the compare at price has to be larger than the price that you're going to be selling it for. So here we can add 60 and show that this product has been discounted from 60 to 50. Cost of goods is a field that you can use for internal tracking. And as we mentioned, this product type will use the wine tax type. The has inventory checkbox determines whether or not you'll be using in Commerce7 inventory features for this product. If you enable it, you can add in the inventory count for this SKU. If you disable it, then there will not be an inventory count for this SKU recorded in Commerce7. The second checkbox we have available is the shippable product. In general, if you're setting up a bottle of wine, you'll want to have this checkbox enabled. You'll only want to disable it if you're selling a virtual product, such as an event ticket or tasting. The weights field is also very important. This is how we calculate the weight of your package, which determines how much we will be charging for shipping. And volume in ml is 750. And on the bottom here is information about links to the product. If you want to edit the slug for the product, you can do so here. And this is also the meta tag description that you should expect to see on search engines. So we're going to click on add a product here. And you should see that this new product has been created. So let's go over the right-hand column and what the options available are. The first section we have available is the web status section. This determines whether the product will be available or not on the website. The retired status refers to a status where the product will still be visible if someone has this link here. However, there's not going to be an add to cart button. The not available option just completely removes the product from the website. We then have the admin POS club status. So you can make the product available or not available through these three channels. Then you can assign your product to a vendor or a department or a product template. You can add new vendors and departments under settings, vendors, add a new vendor, or settings, departments, add a new department. In general, the product template field is something for your designer to use. If they've built a custom product template for you, you can assign this product to that custom product template. But also in general, it'll just be assigned to the default template. Next, we have the wine details section. So this is the wine specific attributes that you can assign to the product. You can assign the type of wine, the varietal, where it's from, and the vintage. Next, we have the collection section. So this will allow you to assign the SKU to a specific collection. It will also show if the SKU has been added to a collection as a part of a dynamic collection based on some attributes configured in that dynamic collection. That will also show up here. Lastly, we have the security section. This determines who can see and purchase the product. By default, it's secure to public, which means that this product is available for everyone. But if you'd like, you can assign a security to clubs. So this means that only club members of the Gold Club will be able to purchase this product. There's also a couple options for how you want to display the product if the customer isn't logged in. So you can just not display the product in the collection altogether, or you can still display the product and show a login option without an add to cart button, sort of forcing them to log in first before they can purchase the product. You can create a security to a club or to a specific customer tag, an allocation or loyalty tier. I'm just going to toggle this back to public. And once I'm happy with all the attributes that I've assigned, I'll click on save. And if you go to the product link at the bottom here and go to the page, you should be able to see the product as we have configured it. Great. Next, I want to show you the product page, the product list page. This page displays all products you have available in your store. To find a specific product, you can search for a product title or a product SKU. Go. You can also filter based on admin status. So we went over admin status, web status, and the different options available. So if you want to only look at products that are hidden or not available, you can do so by using these filters here. There's additional filters as well for product type. If you only want to look at your wines or your merchandise, you can filter like so. And also collection. If you want to only look at your products that are assigned to a specific collection, you can filter using the collection filters here. By default, when you land on the product list page, we will only display available products. But if you want to look at all products available and also not available, you can remove the filter here. And once you're happy with the list of products you have and the filters that you've configured, there's going to be an option to export here, which will export your product list to a spreadsheet, which will be emailed to you. Awesome. Thank you for listening to our demo on creating products. We covered some of the most commonly used functionality within our products feature. Hope you're able to get a better understanding of what we have available and the scenarios where you will use them.